Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a short video, probably no longer than 10 minutes. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel trailer video today. I'm going to be telling you guys what my channel is going to be based on, what are you guys going to see me post, and stuff like that in the future. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to just break it down. What I meant by channel trailer video is basically I'm going to give you guys a little trailer of, you know, what I'm going to be posting on my page, the things that you guys are going to be seeing from me and stuff like that. Really simple. So the first thing that you guys are going to be seeing on my video more often is business content, and actually I have like 3 videos up already about my business. If you guys haven't seen them, you should go check them out. Yeah, so basically I'm going to be doing a lot of business content on my channel, talking about business. The main business I'm going to be talking about is like drop shipping business, Etsy business, and a cheap way to start a business. Basically starting off small, you know, step to step about how to start off small, and the best routes and choices that, you know, I feel like anyone should take in, you know, who's trying to do a business. But everyone else has different business ideas and everyone else has different business routes, so mine's just gonna be like the easy cheap way to do it and stuff like that. Yeah, so basically that's gonna be one thing you guys are gonna see on my page a lot, and if you like that type of content, then stay tuned, because the second thing that you guys are gonna see on my page a lot in the future is mama videos. And basically, yeah, if you didn't know, I'm currently pregnant, soon gonna be due, but I don't really want to give that information out in this video. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I will do a Q&A in my next video. I don't mind doing a Q&A. I mean, honestly, I'm new to YouTube, and I would love for you guys to get to know me, and, you know, any questions that you guys have, I would love to give advice as well. Basically, I'm gonna be doing like morning routines with her, hopefully night routines, and you know, the things I do, you know, to get her ready and take care of her and everything like that. And I'm so excited for that, guys. I hope you guys are. And yes, and I just want to take you guys along with this journey with me. If you guys are supporting me, I thank you so much for the support. So yeah, for anyone who's watching, I really thank you for the support, and I thank you for your likes, your views, and your comments. I really appreciate you guys. All right, and the last thing that you guys will be seeing on my channel as well is like vlogs, cleaning videos, like motivation, cleaning, organizing videos, and basically like just stay in the life. So kind of like vlogging, I guess. Like I want that also to be on my channel, because, you know, I love watching videos like that on YouTube myself. So like me getting into that, I would enjoy it. I really would enjoy doing vlogging. So that's something else that you guys are gonna see on my channel. So yeah, guys, those are the 3 main things that you guys are gonna see on my channel. I mean, basically what my channel is gonna be based on, and I can't wait to start this journey, and I'm gonna start posting more. So yeah, sorry for not posting that much, but definitely will be seeing me post more soon, hopefully. So stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Really hope you guys liked it. It was just a short little video, just a trailer of what my page is gonna be about. Just a short trailer of what my page is going to be based on, what you guys are going to see. So yeah, those are the 3 main things I'm going to be doing on my channel. Just wanted to give you guys some info on that, so you guys can get to know me more, and, you know, the things that I love doing, and things that I'm interested in and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I'm out.